The following message has been transmitted by Federal Bureau of Investigation. At 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an unknown suspect was seen in New York. This suspect was now identified, however it is armed and dangerous. Stay tuned for the updates. The following message has been transmitted by Federal Bureau of Investigation. The suspect has been identified as YouTubers. The suspect was now identified as Evil Rammuel. He was seen attacking victims. It is advised to lock doors and windows and get anything to protect yourself. The following message has been transmitted by Federal Bureau of Investigation. Evil Rammuel has killed 50 people. He is armed and dangerous. Do not approach him. I repeat, do not approach. If you do, you'll get killed. It is advised to lock doors and windows. The following message has been transmitted by Federal Bureau of Investigation. At 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Evil Rammuel has entered the neighborhood of New Jersey. It is advised to shelter in place. The failure to shelter in place will result in death. It is advised to lock doors and windows until all clear is given. The following message has been transmitted by Federal Bureau of Investigation. This is an all-clear signal. 4 people were seen shooting Evil Rammuel. 4 people were identified as Silly Fire Alarm Lover, Arcane Seer 8337 Band's Worst Users, So Big the Man and Pro Mohammed the Roblox Gamer. These 4 people will be praised as a hero. Thank you all for your cooperation.